Hello friends, good day to all. Today I am going to prepare the mutton gravy. So it's gonna be really very tasty and I'm going to prepare in South Indian style mutton gravy. Let's start with the ingredients. I have taken 250 gram of mutton. This one I have washed it with turmeric powder. I have washed the mutton 2 to 3 times and then the fourth time I have added some turmeric powder and then I have cleaned it. Then next ingredients is we require 2 tablespoons of chili powder and then required amount of salt, and then there's all the spicy items. This is completely optional. If you don't like masala taste, then you can avoid this. And then this is 10 to 15 cashew nut, and then white urandai dal, sombu, and then I have cutted the small onions. Okay, this is 10 to 15 small onions, 1 small tomato, curry leaf, and then coconut, grated coconut, 10 to 15 garlic. That's all ingredients. We'll start with the preparation now. First step is I'm going to cook the mutton now. So I have transferred the mutton in the cooker. Okay. Add a pinch of turmeric powder in the cooker and then add a small piece of ginger. Okay. Now add 3 tumbler of water. That's all. You can close the cooker now. I have placed the cooker in the gas. Now give 3 whistles in the cooker. 1 whistle should be in high flame and another 2 should be in low flame. Approximately it will take some 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to open the cooker now. See, check whether mutton got cooked completely. See, it got cooked now. Okay, now I am going to prepare mutton soup. Transfer this mutton water to the bowl like this. This water is having full of proteins and energy. This you can give it to your kids also. It's very healthy. Add 1 tablespoon of pepper and add 1 tablespoon of jeeragam powder. Required amount of salt and then fresh coriander leaf. That's all. Tasty mutton soup is ready. With preparation of mutton gravy now, in the hot kadai add 3 tablespoons of oil. First add a pinch of sombu, that is big jeeragam, and then add small amount of urandai dal, then garlic, and then curry leaf. Then add the small onion. After 2 minutes you can add the small onions. In the meanwhile, we will prepare the paste for the gravy. So I have added the coconut alone in the mixie. Then add 1 tablespoon of sombu. Then add 1 tablespoon of pepper. That's it. Add some little amount of water and grind it to the thick paste. Coconut paste is ready now. Onion become translucent now. Now I am going to add tomatoes. Fry it for another 3 to 2 minutes. See, tomato becomes soft now. Now you can add the cashew nut. After adding cashew nut, fry it for 1 minute. Then you can add the mutton. Add the required amount of salt. Add 3 tablespoons of chili powder, see, the mutton is coated well with that chili powder and everything. It was marinated well. Now you can add the small amount of mutton water. We prepared soup, right? Before that I have taken some amount of water for this. So add the mutton water to it. It will definitely give you a superb taste. Close the lid now. After 3 minutes we will add the coconut paste to it. Now you can add the coconut paste. Add some half tumbler of water. Depends how you want the consistency. If you want a thick gravy means you can add a little less amount of water. Mix this well. Add some 2 tablespoons of oil now. Mix it well and then you can close the lid. If this thickness is okay for you, you can switch off the gas. We prefer some more thickness, so I am going to close the lid for some another 3 to 4 minutes. After that, the gravy become very thick and it will be very tasty. So we'll see after 3 minutes. So I am going to open this after 4 minutes. Wow, yummy mutton gravy is ready now. This you can have this with your hot white rice. It will be really very tasty. Let's transfer this to the bowl now. Wow, delicious mutton gravy is ready. The taste of cashew nut, garlic and then onion, everything. It will be really yummy. Please try this at your home. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. You can serve this with your white rice. It will be extremely very tasty.